start this video, please subscribe to Dark Kennedy. He is my cousin, so please go subscribe to him. It would mean a lot. Okay, let's get in the video. Hello, it is snowing outside, and I am still gonna fly my quadcopter. It's freezing cold. My ears are freezing off. My dad made me this face mask. I like it. My sister's here. She's Aviation Dazzle. She's gonna be recording me flying it. We're also gonna be recording a quadcopter video of her flying it. She's probably going to crash. So go check her video out, right?
Yeah, I'm freezing cold right now.
Yeah, it's very cold outside. So yeah, we're gonna switch over to the main camera and fly the quadcopter. Take off.
Oh yeah.
It's not taking off.
Now maybe I should put it on and off again.
Okay, turn it off. Let's turn it off and on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's still cold. I know why.
Like, we're only gonna do one thing, because right after this, we're just gonna go right over to my sister's
Video?
And record her video. So sorry for the short video.
Yeah.
We need to get all the neighbors here.
Just another one.